It's any commercial operator. You have to prove to transport that you have some sort of aviation required knowledge.
When we have a client starting out with us, he buys a UAV, we got a training program together.
The training that you're being given, as far as the ground school goes, it all conforms to Transport Canada's required knowledge guide. And it is being taught by a licensed flight instructor. You know, we go a little bit more in depth into each topic to make sure that there is a better understanding of each section rather than just touching and skimming through it. And I think that's important because the more in depth we go, the better understanding that our pilots have, the safer those pilots are going to be. The whole course is 4 days, so you get 1 day of hands-on, 3 days in classroom with me. And in the classroom, we're talking about everything from theory of flight, air regulations, meteorology, flight planning.